still looking for soil for your plants? It's time to change the way you grow. Hydroponics. A simple and amazing method for all plants. Stay with me until the end of the video to learn all the secrets. Hi friends. Today we are moving a plant from soil to hydroponics. First, take the plant out of its pot. Don't pull the soil off with your hands. Instead, place the roots in water. Let the soil slowly wash away. Wash the lichen once. Prepare the carbendazim fungicide solution. Cut off any black or dot damaged roots. Then soak the roots. In a fungicide solution. For 20 minutes. Hydroponics is amazing. You can go on a trip and not worrying about watering. No more pests, no more fungus. No more bugs like centipedes. And smaller plants are much easier to start in hydroponics. I added a little activated charcoal to keep the water clean and fresh for the roots. Sometimes your plant might get shocked. For up to 2 months. That's normal. During this time, give it a spray with amino acids. It will help the plant recover much faster. Always choose a plant that's already healthy. If it gets shocked, it can heal itself. After recovery, spray with seaweed extract and feed with a special hydroponic fertilizer. Sow which plant at home? Would you try hydroponics with first? Share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like, and subscribe. And until the next video, take care of yourself and your plants.